Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well and I welcome you all with a very big heart on this channel. So our today's topic is common English phrases that you can use every day. Yes. So today we will be learning about different phrases to use in different situations. So there are 9 situations I've enlisted over here. So the first one is common phrases to ask how someone is. Alright? किसी से ये पूछना कि क्या हाल चाल है आपके, आप कैसे हैं, क्या चल रहा है जिंदगी में, ठीक है? फर्स्टली हम लोग ये देखेंगे. नाउ सेकेंडली phrases to say how are you, ठीक है? phrases to say how are you. आप वो phrases सीखेंगे जिससे आप दूसरों से पूछ सकें कि आप कैसे हैं. Alright? Thirdly, you learn the phrases to say thank you. Alright? You learn the phrases to say thank you instead of thank you. Like the alternatives of thank you. What are other ways to say thank you in English? Alright? Phrases to respond to thank you. Alright? If someone is saying thank you to you, so how will you respond to him or her? So, those phrases. Now, the fifth one is phrases to agreeing something. Alright? If we agree with someone, हम किसी से किसी बात उसकी बात से बहुत इत्तेफाक करते हैं, यानी कि हमें उस बात पे अग्री करते हैं, तो हम कौन से phrases यूज करेंगे. Alright? phrases for disagreeing. अगर हम किसी बात से ना इत्तेफाक करते हैं या डिसअग्री करते हैं तो हम कौन से phrases यूज करेंगे. Alright? phrases to say I don't know. Alright? A lot of people says I don't know, but there are alternatives of I don't know. So just improve your vocabulary and try to use alternatives in your spoken English language. Alright? So those phrases. Phrases to say something is great. Alright? Phrases to say something is great. Phrases to say something is great. Alright? It's repetition over here. So the lesson outcome. So first of all, before proceeding forward, we'll look at the lesson outcomes. What are the lesson objectives of this topic? Alright. Upon completion of this lesson, you'll be able to, इस lesson को complete होने के बाद आप किस काबिल हो जाएंगे? You'll be able to remember some effective phrases for daily use. कुछ phrases आप अपने जहन में मतलब remember रख सकेंगे, यानी आपको याद हो जाएंगे वो, ठीक है? Remember, you'll be able to remember. And the second one, you'll be able to implement these effective phrases for daily use. Like आप लोग जब ये phrases याद रखेंगे, then obviously you'll try to implement these phrases. Like you'll try to use these phrases in your daily language. Alright? So let's get into it. So the common phrases to ask how someone is. Alright? किसी से आपको उसका हाल चाल पूछना है कि भाई आप कैसे हैं, क्या चल रहा है. So the first one is what's up. Alright? What's up? What's up? Now the second one is what's new. What's new? Third, how's it going? How's it going? How's life? How are things? Alright? 4 phrases to ask someone how he or she is. What's up? What's new? How's it going? How's life? How are things? Or you can also say, how are you? Alright? Phrases to say how you are. Alright? If someone is asking you, how are you? Then what will you gonna say? So you'll say that, I'm fine. Thanks. What about you? I'm fine. Thanks. What about you? Instead of saying just I'm fine, you can use this alternative. I'm fine. Thanks. What about you? Pretty good. Same as always. Not so good. Can't complain. Alright? अगर आप अपने केयरर्स से बात कर रहे हैं, मतलब कि अगर आप अपनी सिबलिंग से, अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड, अपनी सिस्टर से बात कर रहे हैं सपोज, तो आप उससे ये नहीं कहेंगे आई एम फाइन, थैंक्स, व्हाट अबाउट यू. इट विल लुक रियली फॉर्मल. यू कैन just show your true feelings. If you're exhausted at that moment, you can say that I'm exhausted. If you're hungry, so you could say I'm starving. All right? So Phrases to say thank you. Alright, thank you is really repetitive, so try to use the alternatives of thank you. So the first one is I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I'm grateful for your support. I'm grateful for your support. I wanted to thank you as soon as possible. Alright? I very much appreciate your help. I very much appreciate your help. That's so kind of you. I owe you one. Like I owe you one हम इस सेंस में जब कहते हैं, जब हम ये फील करते हैं कि इस इंसान ने मेरी हेल्प की है तो फ्यूचर में मैं इसकी एक हेल्प ज़रूर करूँगा, इसकी भी मैं ज़रूर हेल्प करूँगा. सो आई ओ यू वन. लाइक एक हेल्प मेरी तरफ है बाकी जो मैं तुम्हारी करूँगा इन फ्यूचर. Phrases to respond to thank you. Alright, किसी ने आपको thank you बोला. Alright, instead of saying welcome, you can use these alternatives. They are very effective. You can improve your English vocabulary and use these common English phrases when speaking in English. No problem, no worries. Anytime. Anytime is my favorite. I always use anytime. Anytime. Glad to help. It was the least I could do. My pleasure. This one is also good. It was the least I could do. The most polite one. My pleasure. Don't mention it. It's okay, don't mention it. Phrases to agreeing. If you agree with something with someone, alright? Exactly. Exactly. Absolutely. I agree 100%. That's exactly what I think. That's exactly how I feel, alright? If you're agreeing with someone, that's for sure. That's for true. I suppose so. I suppose so is slightly the between agreeing or not agreeing. Like it's slightly the middle between the agree or disagree. Alright? I suppose so. You're not confident enough that whether you agree or not. Phrases for disagreeing. I don't think so. I don't think so. मुझे नहीं लगता. No way. No way is very like strong. Harsh feelings में आ जाता है ये. No way. I'm afraid. I disagree. Like आपने completely मना कर दिया. I'm afraid. I disagree. I'm not so sure about that. I'm not so sure about that. That's not always true. Alright? So we have here phrases to say I don't know, I have no idea, or I have no clue. I have no idea or I have no clue. I can't help you dear. I'm not really sure. I've been wondering that too. मैं भी इस बारे में सोच रहा था. अगर किसी बात से आपको किसी कोई बात नहीं पता और वो बंदा आपसे पूछ रहा है तो आप बोलेंगे I've been wondering that too. मैं भी इस बारे में सोच रहा था but मुझे नहीं समझ आया. I don't know. Phrases for being tired. Alright? I'm exhausted. I can hardly keep my eyes open. I'm gonna hit the sack. Hit the sack means to hit the bed. I'm gonna hit the bed. Acha, the contraction over here is gonna. Gonna is the contraction for going to. I am going to hit the sack. Contraction, I am. Gonna, contraction, going to. I'm gonna hit the sack. I'm going to hit the sack. Or I'm going to hit the bed. I'm dead tired. That means that you're extremely tired. Phrases to say something is great. First one, it's great. It's fantastic. I'd recommend this. Alright, I'd recommend this. Let's suppose कोई मूवी आपने देखी है और आपकी फ्रेंड आपसे सजेशंस मांग रही है, रिकमेंडेशंस मांग रही है कि प्लीज मुझे सैटरडे नाइट को कोई मूवी देखती है, प्लीज रिकमेंड. सो आई रिकमेंड दिस मूवी एंड देन यूल कंप्लीट योर रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. It's better than I expected. It's excellent. I'd recommend it. Now, review time. First one, what's up? What's new? How's it going? How's life? How are things? I'm fine. Thanks. What about you? Pretty good. Same as always. Not so good. Can't complain. And a lot of more. You can take a screenshot of this and just go back and screenshot of you can take a screenshot of other slides as well. So thank you so much for listening. If you like this video, so make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to. Allah Hafiz.